Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign into ADP Workforce. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, on your mobile device, open up any web browser and then head on over to Google and then type in ADP Workforce login. And then a whole list of results should show up like here. And then from here, click into sign in ADP WFN portal, which will be the first result here. Alright, this page might appear once you're into this website, so you can either use the mobile app or continue on in the web browser. So for this demonstration, I'm going to continue on in the web browser. And now what you want to do here is put in your user ID, and then after you put in your user ID, put in your password, and then click on continue, and then you'll be logged into ADP. But for any reason that you've forgotten your ID, click on forgot user ID at the bottom here. And then fill out this form, so your first name, your last name, and then your email. And then click on next, and then check your emails within a few minutes, and you should get your user ID sent to you, and then use that to log in. Alright, that's it for this video guys, how to log into ADP Workforce. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.